Hello, how are you? I am Sujit. This is a random video. It is the beginning of two new series. The first one is Let's Talk, in which a kind of Q&A. You all know about Q&As very well, okay? And the second one is My Random Thoughts, MRT. Initially, I thought about putting a name like all random thoughts, all the random thoughts which come in my mind, okay, but they are my thoughts, and so I have changed it to my random thoughts, okay. It is the English videos which I have initially said about. I haven't uploaded, I know. This is the first video of both the series combiningly. The first series is Let's Talk and the next one is MRT, that is my random thoughts, okay. These videos will be both in both the series. The language will be in English mostly because I want to learn English. It will take me to one step closer to my dream. One of my dream. I have many dreams which I haven't yet fulfilled. Okay. I don't know how much I can stretch in this language. How long I can speak. Just ignore the background noises. I can say noise like any horn, etc. because I am in the open ground. Don't mind about the grammar, okay? I am learning. I'll learn soon better. Next videos in this series will be quite informational, I guess. Because it's my thought. By saying raw videos, it means that it won't have a scripting. Generally, I know I don't provide much better quality videos, but yet I have scripted all of this, them, those, all of those, whatever. You understand? I have scripted like not the whole one. I make points. For this also, I have made points about the announcement which I have to tell in this video. Okay. But in that, uh, likewise, if I am telling about the phone, let's say that lava phone, the specs I have noted down like a point, and randomly I see that like about the processor, I say about the specification and my thoughts on that feature. Is it worth it or not? Anything like the spontaneous things. I don't script the full video, but in this series I will not at all script anything, okay, except this. You can say those points are the scripts. I'll just I will just take about the main thought which I have to share, like main point, no, not main point, the title. Let's say the title is about X, okay, X, the alphabet X, not the other one. And about that X, whatever are my thoughts, I will just say. That's the main theme of this series, MRT, my random thoughts. And Let's Talk will be a Q&A, okay, in which we will interact. The next video in that series, Let's Talk series, will be after I complete a 1K subscribers. I know it will take time, but we'll grow with time. Actually, I have many thoughts last night. Not only last night, whenever I go to sleep, I go to bed, while sleeping, before I just completely sleep, some thoughts ran in my mind here and there, and I jump from one thought to another, and it goes on. I have many thoughts before I sleep, and I just think ki, oh, this is the interesting one, I should make the video tomorrow about it. And after waking up in the morning, the thoughts blow up, or say flushed out from my mind. I don't know where they're gone. The things which I wrote down, that will only stay with me, and remaining will be blown up. I hope you are understanding my English. I'm very poor at English. You all came to know about it, right? It's not an issue. I'll improve and improve. The cycle goes on. If you don't know what is my channel about, then it is in the category of science and technology. Okay. I am very much interested about both the things, science and technology. Actually, let me tell you about myself. Not like that in interview. It's a random thing. Random. It's like what I like to do, and what I'm doing right now. For quick answer, I just say I am doing nothing I am doing, just wasting my time. But let me tell you about my interest, or you can say the things in which I am better, and I thought they will be my strength. They became my strength, but is of no use for now. No, not like that. I am not utilizing my strengths. Okay. Initially, in my school days, I loved mathematics. Okay. Most of the people say maths is equal to max, max. It's not max. It is maths, maths. I know. You all know that. I know I have wasted a lot of time. I don't think you are watching. Anyone is watching. I am just randomly throwing words. I hope so. Someone will watch. I don't hope. If you don't watch, nothing will be changed. If you watch, then also nothing will be changed. Okay. In my childhood, like when I was in class 4th, before that my most of the memory are gone, vanished. Not like that, about maths vanished. Actually, we don't have all the memories. Some best things or the worst things which are happened in our life, we just store them. Okay, so in fourth class, I guess, from 4th, I have developed quite more interest in maths. I quickly solve the problem. I don't know, automatically I am able to solve whatever the reason. I am able to understand them, the problems, like them is the problem, betterly and quickly. Not the fastest in the class, but yeah, quite fast. Okay, what is the story? It's not the story of my life, it's my life. Yeah, The thing is, whatever we can do more, we able to do more quickly and fastly. Whatever things became easy to us, we love to do that thing again and again, and maths became one of the thing. I loved it, I guess. Yes, I loved it. I can say it's because mainly of my teachers, or because of my ability to solve things. But as soon as I entered college, things changed. I am still able to solve maths, but the interest has gone from the studies, I don't know, or from, I don't like the type of things or way of thing taught in the classroom. I don't know, not for all. There are plenty, there are some subjects which I don't want to study, but still I have studied because they are in my course and I have to complete my engineering. I am a computer science engineer, but I am doing nothing right now. I don't know what will I do. Just hoping this year will be my best year in terms of my career or growth, or in terms of my YouTube channel growth. For that, I have decided one thing. I'll make from the next week, I'll make videos every day for a week. For a week, only for a week. I know I can't do more than that because I have several things to work, like work on myself. Initially, I have told I'm doing nothing. I don't have a job, anything. So I have to get a job also. So I am preparing for that, and parallelly I want to grow in YouTube. Hope so. You will support. With you, I can grow. We can, I can say we can grow. These all are my thoughts. Okay. If you disagree, don't be get offended. Just forget that. There is a channel quite big, bigger than me. My channel, okay. It is Critic. Critic. Uh, his videos are explanatory videos. Okay. He explain about the strategies. Mainly, his focus is about the psychology. He's a psychology student, I guess. He says a line like the meaning will be same, the words can be different. It is just wait, I am framing it. I have a very slow processor. Okay, I have to upgrade soon. I will upgrade. The upgradation will be by practicing. Okay, it will take time. The phrase is like take what you need, discard what you don't. Did you get it? Take what you need, discard what you don't. That's all. Whatever you need from this video, from any video, anything, just take that and discard the remaining stuff which you don't need. Just I don't know how to shoot videos because I don't have a setup. Right now I am in the ground. I just whenever an idea strikes in my head, okay, I figure it out what to say. I gather some knowledge about it, and yeah, after that I found some place where I can shoot like this. This video is a random one. You don't need anything, like I can shoot anywhere, anything will be improper, it can be managed. But for the main videos, I don't want to compromise with my quality. Quality in video is not up to the mark, but I want to make good audio. Not make, I want to provide you good audio. If you're not getting video, you can understand by the audio. This mic really helped me. One of my good purchases. It's nearly of 500, I guess. I don't know which company it is. I bought way back when my first video got viral. You can say viral. Okay, let's talk about that. The viral video is about that phone iCal K3310. That is this. That it went viral because recently the phone Nokia has launched its 3310. Storage got full in my memory card and the recording has been stopped. I have talked 4 to 5 minutes extra which I haven't recorded. Just leave that and just enjoy the song which I have sang in the test footage. I am testing. I have tested the frame in before starting shooting, in which I have also sang the song, and whatever interesting part I got in those test footages, I'll attach in the end of the video. Okay, peace. जुदा जब से हुआ तेरे बिना खामोश रहता हूँ मैं, जुबां पे आज भी तेरा ही ना लेने गा। तू मिला तो खुदा का सहारा बन गया, तू मिला तो खुदा का सहारा बन गया। गमज़दा गमज़दा दिल ये था गमज़दा, बिन तेरे दिल ये था गमज़दा। हरामी नहीं हूँ मैं, नहीं हूँ मैं, नहीं हूँ मैं. Okay. If you want to earn money online, you can watch this video. Okay, this one. And after watching that, you can subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.